I have no idea if 7 or 8, but whatever. Another video here at the lovely in-town car show. Having the time of our lives. Anyways. It's a nice different paint job there. Very nice. Look at that. SS. Very nice. So you this, see, put the top down, man. What's wrong with you guys? Pontiacs. They said GTOs were not a big deal back then. Tempest, what's a Tempest? This is Le Mans, so very nice. Pontiac. Too bad. We build excitement. Very nice. Very cool. I love it. 69 Camaro. Yeah. 495. Oh my goodness. Whew. You could fit your golf clubs in, I think. You probably could. I think you could. Go golf them. What is this one? 1969. Grand Rapids. Look at that. How the engine is, and oh, blue. And get everything. Brand new battery in there. Very nice. That's a cool little truck. Look at that. We got a noisy one coming. There he goes. Machine Nationals, man. Look at this bad boy, the GTO. Classic. Classic, classic, classic. I have to have automatic. I'm a Nancy boy. I still love it. Don't get me wrong. Yep. The old steel engines, like I said before, and I'll tell you again, poured in with real steel. They don't make like they used to. It's too bad. Elon Musk would be smart and make a better combustible engine with gas instead of electric. That's a nice one. Different color, something different. When you sell these things, I've said many times, many videos, you never get what you put into it. Oh, nice. Very nice. Whew. Spick and span, man. Very nice. That's a nice SS. I had an 81 Monte Carlo. 81. That was a fun vehicle. I like these Saturns. These are cool. I love these two doors. This is the second one I've seen so far. I love them. That'd be fun to tool around in. Automatic. See some around. I didn't see any Javelins yet. What the hell? I'm very bitter. Probably somewhere. Look at this bad boy. You guys saw in the last video, I pointed out across. I like that. Sweet. Nice. What do you think, huh? I love these, I love the old-fashioned cab and a half, F-250, big box. Love it. Love that look. clean look. And they don't really rust out that much. They really don't. They don't rust out. So, cruise on over here. You can hear music over there, which kind of sucks. Really nice. Well, that's farther over there, so that's farther away from me. Can't believe I haven't let you have one yet, man. I want to see a Pacer. I want to see a Gremlin. I want to see. I've seen enough of the Chevelles, which I love, but I want to see some AMCs, which I think would be a great collection of cars to have. I have a lot of collection of Impalas, but I think AMC was underrated, and that's why Teslas are cool, because they're unique looking. That's what I liked about them. That's a nice clean look right there. Look at compare the engines. How tight that is. It's good to see a lot of families here. It really is. Great place to bring a grandfather or something when you're with somebody. You don't see the older ones. Nice. Look at this bad boy. Oh yeah. That one kid, his name, him and his dad, 59 Ranchero. Look him up on YouTube. He loves Rancheros. He was in a scrapyard. He had saw some other guy, a car guy, in a scrapyard in Oklahoma, and he saw that there was in that scrapyard. He was looking for it. Great video. But it was funny. 327. Nice. Chev. It was a Ford Ranchero. It was hilarious as hell. Great young man. Look at that bad boy. Oh yeah. Charger. Sleek and black, baby. Look at that. Open the hood, bro. 68. Yeah, it's a lot of fun, man. Look at that Corvette. I like that. I like the T-top. Those are nice. Probably a lot easier to pull up. Whole bunch of cars. Oh. Look at that. GT. Ford. Ranchero. 218-929-4052. Nice. That's a nice vehicle. The Ranchero is 1977. 20 grand. See, I'd pay for it. I'd pay for it. It's nice. Very nice. Fun car. You don't see a lot of them around. It'd be a fun car to have. Drive around that bad boy. I'd buy it. Look at that bad boy. Four-door action. Nice. All kinds of fun stuff. Oh yeah, Mustang. Yeah, a lot of people just hanging out. A lot of like-minded people here. It is a gas. It's a great show. I recommend anybody to come here. Like I said, I think they're all over the nation. I think this is something in a regular event. I think it was called the Craftsman one before. Something like that before they changed the name. So this, again, this one, anyone's welcome. You can bring your PT Cruiser here. One over there. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this over here, this big Cadillac. Oh my goodness. This is would never fit in my garage. Ho, 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 ho. Buick. How much I love this vehicle, it would never fit. If I tried to steal it, it would never fit in my garage.
Yeah.
What kind of engine's in it?
LS3.
How many miles on it?
On the whole car?
Yeah.
It was just redone. I think there's only maybe like 1,000 or 1,500 on it now.
Cool.
Originally, I think there's only maybe 70,000.
Every day you're driving, you're stealing. Good job. Love it. I love. See, if people don't look at, I look at it twice, and I'd buy it if I had the right. Just like there's that Ranchero up there. That's a fun car. I drive it. I love this show because you get cars like this. You don't see the batch 50s. You don't see kind of cars in the street. I do this. 57 Chevy. I go, okay. Well, you know, this car. Great, man. Love it. What do you guys think? Oh. This is a pimp car. Go up to Hinckley. Did they ever make these convertibles?
I guess I don't know that.
Okay. Who cares about gas mileage? Who cares? Look at this bad boy. Woo-hoo. Camaro, 69. This one I could steal, put in my garage. That's nice. That's a nice. See, that's what I'm telling you. You never see. People look at it the other way. Anyways, guys, let's shut her down. See you next one.